What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing good. Let me know in the comments how you guys are doing. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a new DDoS script in C++. If you haven't already seen my other videos, I got some videos in Python and some other ones in C++. So I'd recommend checking them out before you watch this video. So first, let's get right into it, I guess. So we're going to include thread. And thread just means that we're going to be using multiple functions at the same time. Let me just move my mic. Okay. WSTC pip.h is what you want to use. Oops. .lib. Okay. And then we'll include. Let's actually include. Sometimes it does this weird bug where it will not include windsock if you don't include it last. Alright, then we're gonna be using namespace SCD. Alright, so we're gonna make a thread function, and we'll just call this DOS, and then we need to include string, IP, and integer port. Just waiting for the errors to go away. I don't know, I'm still getting errors. Okay. So first thing we need to do is initialize windsock. Then we need to create a socket. Then we're going to fill in hint structure to let the send to function let it know which IP we're sending it to. Then we're going to make a while loop of send to. Alright, so we're going to initialize windsock. Just going to call it WSA data, whatever. Integer WSA startup equals WSA startup. Version is 0x20, which is I think that's like 2 or something. And then add WSA data. So that's all we need to do to start it up. We're going to create a socket. So we're going to let it know it's a socket. S equals socket AF INET. And we're going to make it a UDP socket, and 0 for protocol. So the family is AF INET. Then we're going to fill in the port. Oops. IP dot C string at hint dot send address. So basically this is letting you know the family's AFINET. This is filling out the port, and then this is filling in the IP pretty much. So while true, we're going to make it like send okay or something equals send to. S is our socket. our buff we haven't figured out yet. We haven't defined max packet size 4096. Char, car, or whatever. Max, back. Oh my god, I cannot type. Packet, size of packet, 0 for flags. And then size of hint. Alright, so at this point, the program would work. All you have to do is tell it that you want to use the function and make a thread, which I'll tell you how to do in a second. But we're going to also show the user how many packets are being sent. If x equals, let's say like 100,000 or like 10,000, or x equals, let's do 100,000 x. Oops. That's 10,000. 100,000, or x equals. And we're do a million. So that's 10,000. That's 100,000. That's a million. Let's also do like 1,000 or something, or like 500, just so that it knows it's doing something. So you know immediately that it's doing something. We're going to see out packets sent equals x, and then we're going to inline. Oops. Alright, then we're going to copy this. And make another function called DOS1. Basically what's going to happen here is that we don't want to display this information. And then we're going to actually do this times 5, because we're going to make 5 threads. Let me just make sure this is all correct. We don't need to. Alright, now that's good. We can do thread T1 if you've ever seen my Python video. Let me just remember the syntax for this. Equals I think it's like this. And we also need to define so we're going to define our IP, and we're going to define our port. Then we're going to cout enter IP. Send. We're not going to use get line because there's no spaces. Okay, I just realized you aren't actually able to see this. Let's see if this works. Okay, we got an error. Alright, so that's actually how you want it to. I was just used to the Python where it's the syntax is a little bit different. And then we're going to detach. Basically, it's not going to wait for it to finish. And then we're going to copy all that. So make it thread 2. This time we're going to copy this. Thread 3, thread 3, thread 4, thread 4, thread 5, thread 5. Okay, now we're going to run it. Interesting. We're going to do system pause here. Packets in. Okay. Alright, so that's all working. I don't know what the problem was. But now we're going to make it look a little bit cleaner maybe. We'll see if this works. Doesn't always work. Alright, there we go. Okay, that should work. Alright, there we go. Okay, one more thing we're going to do is just we're just going to run it one more time, just make sure everything is working good. So there's 500,000. So yeah, that is all working, and let me know in the comments what you'd like to see next time. I can make an API, I can make a botnet, whatever you guys would like to see. Just let me know in the comments. Leave a like as well if you like. Tell me to fuck off if you didn't like it. Tell me why at least. We'll see you guys in the next video.